If you're looking for a car that just works day in and day out without any fuss, then you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at a vehicle that has built its reputation on being simple, reliable, and incredibly durable. This is the Renault Tondar 2026. For years, the Tondar has been the go-to choice for drivers who value practicality over flashy features and low running costs over high performance. Now, for 2026, it's back with some subtle but meaningful updates aimed squarely at the modern driver who just needs a car they can count on. So, let's dive in and explore what the refreshed Renault Tondar 2026 has to offer, both inside and out. Let's start with the exterior. The Renault Tondar 2026 sticks with its tried and true formula, keeping a design that is instantly recognizable and highly functional. It hasn't undergone a radical transformation, but the small refinements are smart and effective. At the front, you'll notice a refreshed grille that gives it a slightly more modern feel, paired with updated headlamps that are sharper and brighter. The bumper has also been tweaked, giving the front end a cleaner, more contemporary look without straying too far from its roots. Moving to the side, the classic compact sedan profile is unchanged. It's simple, well-balanced, and its dimensions make it incredibly easy to maneuver in tight city streets and crowded parking lots. The body lines are clean and uncluttered, reinforcing that sense of purpose-built simplicity. A key feature that many owners love is its generous ride height, which makes it perfectly suited for handling rougher roads, potholes, and speed bumps without scraping the underbody. At the rear, the updates are just as thoughtful. You'll find new taillight designs that look a bit more modern and a clean, tidy trunk design. There are no dramatic spoilers or aggressive diffusers here. Instead, everything emphasizes practicality. The trunk opening is wide and the overall design is focused on making loading and unloading as easy as possible. The Tondar 2026 isn't trying to be a sports car. It's proud of its identity as a dependable, no-nonsense vehicle, and its exterior design reflects that perfectly. The 2026 model continues with a proven and incredibly reliable petrol engine. Renault has prioritized long-term durability and ease of maintenance over raw power. The power output is modest, but it's more than enough for daily commuting, zipping through city traffic and cruising comfortably on the highway. This engine is renowned for its simple construction, which means fewer things can go wrong, and when they do, repairs are generally straightforward and affordable. It's also tuned for excellent fuel efficiency, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to keep running costs low. You can get the Tondar with either a manual or an automatic transmission, and both options are designed to deliver smooth and predictable performance. There are no surprises here, no sudden jolts or lag, just a steady, consistent power delivery that makes driving easy and stress-free. It's exactly the kind of dependable powertrain that Tondar buyers have come to expect and rely on for years. The steering is soft and responsive, which is a huge advantage in urban environments. You don't have to fight the wheel. The car just goes where you point it with minimal fuss. This makes the Tondar an especially great choice in regions where road conditions are less than perfect. It soaks up imperfections with confidence, preventing harsh impacts from being sent into the cabin. Now, let's be clear, this is not a sporty sedan. You won't get razor-sharp handling or a thrilling cornering experience, but that's not its purpose. That comfortable suspension we just talked about ensures that both the driver and passengers are well insulated from the road. The cabin remains relatively quiet at normal city and highway speeds, allowing for easy conversation. The seats are another strong point. They aren't plush, luxurious thrones, but they are firm, supportive, and ergonomically designed for long-term use. You can drive for hours without feeling fatigued. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent. Thanks to large windows, thin pillars, and a straightforward driving position, you get a clear, commanding view of the road all around you. There are no major blind spots, which adds to the feeling of safety and confidence, especially when navigating busy intersections or changing lanes. All the controls for the climate system and audio are exactly where you'd expect them to be, with large buttons and dials that are easy to use even while you're driving. Space is another area where the Tondar impresses. The front and rear seats offer good comfort, with surprisingly generous headroom and legroom for a compact sedan. Four adults can travel in comfort, and even a fifth can fit in for shorter journeys. But the real star of the interior is the trunk. It offers a massive amount of space, perfect for luggage on a family trip, a big grocery run, or any daily hauling needs. For even more practicality, the rear seats can be folded down, expanding the cargo area to accommodate larger, bulkier items. While the Tondar focuses on the essentials, the 2026 model includes the modern technology and safety features that drivers need. You get a basic infotainment system that's simple to operate. It includes Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream music and make hands-free calls easily. There are also USB charging ports to keep your devices powered up on the go. In front of the driver, a clear digital instrument display provides all the essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip data in an easy-to-read format. You also get driver and passenger airbags, rear parking sensors to make reversing safer and easier, stability control to help prevent skids, and seatbelt reminders for all occupants. These features provide essential peace of mind for you and your family, all while keeping the vehicle affordable and accessible. This car has never been about luxury, cutting-edge technology, or thrilling performance.